Tanawan is also home of the Philippines' major industrial centers, hosting industrial parks like First Philippine Industrial Park, First Industrial Township Incorporated, and Tanawan City Zentrum, driving job growth and economic momentum. On the academic side, di papahuli ang Tanawan dahil narito ang First Asia Institute of Technologies and Humanities, La Consolacion College, Christian College of Tanawan, STI Academic Center, and the Tanawan Institute, which is established way back 1924. Dito rin makikita ang Sapphire International Aviation Academy, which caters to aspiring pilots na located sa Baradas Airstrip. Speaking of progress, Tanawan City strikes a balance between relaxing provincial charm and growing urban development. At kasama sa pag-unlad ng syudad ang Novista Tanawan. With its strategic location, peaceful surroundings and modern lifestyle, it's an ideal home for growing families and professionals working in Batangas or even Metro Manila. Ang Novista Tanawan is located in Barangay Talaga, Tanawan City, Batangas. Prime spot ito dahil katabi lang ng Talisay Tanawan Road. Mabilis ang access sa Tanawan City Hall, Star Toll at commercial hubs. Plus, it's close to Tagaytay for that cool, refreshing breeze at Laurel para sa scenic lakeside views.